Hi guys, and welcome to the bonus page for Affiliate Profit Pilot. Now, I have an amazing bonus for this, all affiliate related. Everything you see on this page is included in the front end offer. So the front end offer is $27 and you get all these bonuses. Now, the first one is a complete done for you affiliate campaign for Affiliate Profit Pilot. You can also use it for other campaigns as well if you want. You know, you've got the bonus page there, you've got all the bonuses, you've got the delivery done for you, so you can edit that if you want and use it for other affiliate campaigns, or you can use it for Affiliate Profit Pilot. All you need to do, drop in your affiliate link. Now there's a 19 bonuses I think on there included, and these are the bonuses that I have included, and these are the ones also that you get for Affiliate Profit Pilot. And as I said, they're all affiliate based. So you get affiliate funnel, you get affiliate box, you get affiliate link monitor, and you get the PLR addition to that as well, so you can resell it as your own. Affiliate marketing master plan, you get affiliate marketing success secrets, you get banner boost. Again, you get the PLR version of that, so you get full white label, you can rebrand it, resell it as your own. You get the 100 bonus blocks extra, so you get 100 bonus blocks plus another 100 bonus blocks. These are older ones that we've used previously, so you can add those in your campaigns. You get a bonus gate, again, full white label rights to that. Buyer boost, again, full white label rights to that. You've got an amazing bonus package here for $27. Commission clicker, again, full white label rights. You've got crash course affiliate marketing, easy affiliate marketing, inbox time, again, full white label rights, mail pitch pro, again, full white label rights. And on your bonus package, you can give white label rights to your users as well. So it makes it kind of super valuable. Profit Pulse, again, full white label rights. Promo Planner Pro, again, full white label rights. Recap Rocket, again, full white label rights, Supreme Affiliate Marketing, and that's it. Now, as I said, a huge bonus package. Now, this one up here, go back up here, this done for you affiliate campaign, this is the one that you want. You get all those bonuses below, and you can pass on white label rights where it's included to your clients. So you can make your affiliate campaigns super valuable and, you know, obviously make them convert really easily. Now let me show you what this does. I'm going to jump over to Munchai. Now Munchai is a calendar where every affiliate vendor comes to list the products or to find products for sale. Now 18th of June, let's find something that's coming soon. So we'll go with this one with Eric Holman. So we'll go over to the JV page.
Hey friends and affiliate partner.
I'll just pause that. Now, obviously, when you come to the JV page, you can see there's a lot of content here. So you've got to read it all. You've got to copy it, paste it into kind of OpenAI and, you know, then work out the different kind of marketing angles, your hooks and everything else. But with this little browser extension, which this is, once it's installed, all you need to do is come here to the page, right click, and you go to Affiliate Profit Pilot, see down there. Then all you need to do is you've got these 10 built-in sections. So quick offer summary. So what you can do is then it'll read the page and it'll give you an offer summary of that page. So let's see what it comes back with. And also it works with not just OpenAI, but you can do it with Claude as well. So it tells you what the product is, who it's for, main problem, core promises, etc. Then you can copy that or close it. So let's close it. We'll go through some of the other ones. Then Affiliate Profit Pilot, find promo angles. So this is a good one because, I mean, if you're stuck and you're not kind of sure how to promote the product, perfect. It's already done for you, already built directly into the page. So you can go through Munchai and see which ones work best for you for your, obviously, your products. So angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it gives you 10 different angles there, and it gives you the best overall angle. Okay, just look a couple more. Then you've got map buyer pain points, turn features into benefits, create benefit bullets, handle buyer objections. So let's go with that, find buyer objections. So obviously you can, when you're selling this product, then you can counter the buyer objections, see what it comes back with. You can also create your own prompts for this. If that prompt isn't there what you kind of want, you can also create those as well. So you can see their objections there. Okay, let's go with one that I kind of like the look of. Find bonus ideas. So really, this is a good one because it's one thing I kind of always struggle with when I'm promoting something is finding the angles to the bonus angles to use with this. So let's see what comes about with. So viral video content calendar. That's a good one. AI video script prompt pack. Yeah. So the one you see it's read what it's about and it's found great bonus ideas for that. Social media engagement boost guide. It tells the great thing about this as well, look, what it is, problem it solves, why it complements the offer, recommended format, fastest version to create, perceived value. Bonus title, faceless brand launch blueprint, video marketing best practices cheat sheet, video editing shortcuts guide, trend research toolkit, case studies of successful viral campaigns, engagement matrix tracker. So it's giving you top 3 and it's giving you that kind of the bonus stack. So it's really simple to use. Once you've done it, you copy, or you can save the MD file of that as well. So as I said, super easy to use, and I like this because I'm going to use it myself. You know, what I kind of do is I kind of get the AI to summarize the page, then I start to work all that out. Now, the great thing about this, I can do it directly from the page, copy and paste it, and it gives me the ideas, the starting points, to be able to create amazing affiliate campaigns. So let me jump back over here so you just see what you can get with this as well. So you get the BrowserPilot extension. So that's that one I've just shown you there. Built-in affiliate starter prompts, custom prompt builder. And as I said, you can also add in your own prompts. So I think those 10 kind of cover affiliate marketing. But if you wanted to, you know, get some email angles as well and things like that, you could add those prompts in there and obviously build it out. And then you get a recent response history. So for $27, an amazing package with my bonus package as well, not going to be beat. Remember, this is on Warrior Plus, so make sure that you look for my ID. So let's go to the bottom. I can show you my ID right down here. So make sure that you see the ID Melanie, okay, on Warrior Plus when you check out. So you can look around for a better bonus package if you want, but I guarantee that you're not going to find one for $27 with all the white label apps included and the done for you affiliate campaign for $27. It's not going to be beat. So thanks for watching and watch out for the next video.